Assalamu alaikum student. Today we are going to start the lesson number 14, Little Women. This lesson is about four American girls who are Jo, Meg, Amy and Beth. Jo is the main character of the story. Jo wants to be independent and wants to earn for herself and the family. Her dream is to become a writer. For this purpose she writes stories, and she has written 2 stories. After finishing her 2 stories, she takes these to a publisher. She keeps all this a secret. Her sisters don't know anything about her stories. She is ready to tell her friend about the story on the condition that he wouldn't disclose it to anybody else. At last, her story, The Rival Painters, is published in a newspaper after 2 weeks. This gives Jo tremendous happiness. Her sisters are surprised to know about it. They are proud of her success, and this way Jo's dream to become a writer comes true. Her wish to earn for herself and help the family is fulfilled. Now we start the reading of the lesson. It was now October with days growing short and cold. Jo was busy in her room at the top of the house. She was writing a story and it was nearly finished. When the last page was filled, she signed her name firmly and threw down her pen, exclaiming, "There, I have done my best. If it won't suit, I shall have to wait until I can do better." She read through her story carefully, making changes here and there and putting in more commas. Then she tied it with a ribbon and sat looking at it silently. From a drawer, she took another finished story and putting both in her pocket, went quietly downstairs. Then, after putting on hat and coat, she went out into the street. She stopped a passing bus and was driven to a town, looking merry, but as though she had some secret. This Jo was very confident and hopeful about her stories, and she had kept it a secret. She was looking merry, and she didn't tell anybody else about her story. She walked quickly until she reached a certain building in a busy street. She walked quickly until she reached a certain building in a busy street. She went through the door, looked up the dirty stair, stood quite still for a moment, and then walked away as quickly as she had come. She doesn't stay there. She went back as quickly as she had come. After doing this a second and third time, Jo shook herself and walked up the stair as if she were going to have all her teeth out. And among the sign near the door, there was one of a dentist. और जब बिल्डिंग में जाती है तो वहाँ एक डेंटिस्ट का भी साइन होता है. In 10 minutes, Jo came running downstairs looking like a person who had passed through a hard time. और जब उस बिल्डिंग से 10 मिनट के बाद वापस आती है, नीचे आती है, तो उसके एक्सप्रेशन से ऐसे लगता था जैसे उसके लिए कोई शी हैड फेस्ड हार्ड टाइम, मुश्किल काम था, मुश्किल टाइम उसने फेस किया था. बाय द डोर शी फाउंड लॉरी वेटिंग. जब वो वापस आती है तो वो अपना उसका दोस्त उसका वेट कर रहा होता है. ही हैड बिन सिटिंग इन द विंडो ऑफ ए हाउस ऑपोजिट एंड हर सीन हर गो इन. वो अपने घर की खिड़की में से उसको वहाँ देख लेता है. It is like Jo to come to a dentist alone, but if she had a bad time, she'll need somebody to help her home. और वो समझता है कि जो है वो डेंटिस्ट के पास आई है और उसके साथ कोई नहीं है. Therefore, he wants to help her. He thought when Jo saw him, she looked anything but pleased and passed him with a slight bend of her head. He followed, asking with sympathy, और वो उसको बार बार उसको हमदर्दी से पूछते हैं, डिड यू हैव अ बैड टाइम? नॉट वेरी. You finished quickly? Yes, thank goodness. Why did you go alone? I didn't want anybody to know. You are the strangest creature I ever knew. How many did you have out? Jo looked at her friend as if she did not understand him. There are two that I want to have out, but I must wait a week, she said. Then she began to laugh. उसका फ्रेंड समझता है कि शायद उसने अपने दांत जो हैं वो, उनका कोई ट्रीटमेंट था, उनका प्रॉब्लम था, लेकिन मैं तो बार बार पूछता हूँ, मैंने डिड यू हैव आउट, जो लुक्ड एट हर फ्रेंड एज इफ शी डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड हिम, लेकिन जो उसकी इसकी मिसअंडरस्टैंड करती है. देर आर टू दैट आई वॉन्ट टू हैव आउट, बट आई मस्ट वेट अ वीक, शी सेड. देन शी बिगैन टू laugh. What are you laughing at? You are planning some joke, Joe. Well, I have a secret, and if you promise not to say anything about it at home, I'll tell it to you, said Joe. जो ने उससे कहा अगर वो बात डिस्क्लोज नहीं करेगा तो वो फिर अपना सीक्रेट उससे शेयर कर सकती है. Not a word, so tell on. I happen to take two of my stories to a newspaper, and he is going to tell me the next week if they are good enough to print. Or so she tells him that she had come here for her stories. Hurrah for Miss Jo Marr, the famous author, cried Laurie. Perhaps they will never get printed, said Joe, but I couldn't rest until I had tried. I said nothing about it because I didn't want anyone else to be sorry if the stories weren't printed. वो नहीं चाहती अगर उसकी स्टोरीज पब्लिश नहीं होती तो ताकि कोई भी शख्स जो है कम अज़ कम उसके साथ जो है वो सॉरी नहीं कहेगा, उसके साथ हमदर्दी का इजहार नहीं करेगा. It won't fail, Joe. Why, your stories are a great deal better than half the rubbish that is published every day. वो उसको कंसोल करता है क्योंकि उसकी स्टोरीज जो हैं वो जो एवरी डे न्यूज़पेपर में पब्लिश होती हैं उनसे फार बेटर हैं. It will be fine to see them in print, and shan't we be proud of our author? Author mean writer. वो कहता है कि हम अपने राइटर के जो है ऊपर फ़ख्र नहीं करेंगे. Joe's eyes shone, for it is always pleasant to be believed in. Come on then, race down the hill with me, said Laurie. No one was in sight, and as they were out of the city now, Joe agreed and the two ran. Laurie reached the bottom first, and when Joe came along with hair flying and bright eyes and cheeks, she was happy.